Hey guys, back with another Tobin One product. It's one of our favorite companies. Great products, solid, just phenomenal. But here is a USB 3 charger, and I can already tell you that this is fantastic. It's a fast charge, it's a solid charge. My son used it on one of his large speakers by one of the name brands and charge quickly with no problem. It is small and compact, looks similar to something that you would use with your MacBook, but I actually have a Dell. Just tried it out, works great. I take a USB 3 charge, so anyway, I plugged it in and my computer already has a full charge. But as you can see, it is charging with no problem. So this is super great. You know, most computer chargers are a little bit cumbersome. The cords are thick and annoying, but this is small, great for travel, great to use, you know, on the go or just in your home. So anyway, fabulous product. Tobin One, as usual, just solid. We haven't had any problem with our products, so we recommend this, and we hope you find this review helpful.